Golden Retrievers, a guide to feeding and nutrition. Golden Retrievers are a beloved breed that is known for their friendly and loyal personalities. Their exuberance and enthusiasm make them ideal companion animals for families and individuals alike. However, like all dogs, Golden Retrievers have specific nutritional needs that need to be met to help ensure that they maintain good health and well-being. In this article, we'll explore the topic of feeding and nutrition for Golden Retrievers in depth. We'll cover everything from the types of food that are best for them to how much they should eat and when. We'll also look at some common health issues that can arise if your Golden Retriever isn't getting the proper nutrition. Let's start by discussing the types of food that are best for Golden Retrievers. Types of food. Golden Retrievers are energetic dogs that require plenty of protein and other nutrients to keep them healthy and active. When it comes to feeding them, there are two main types of food to choose from: dry kibble and wet food. Dry kibble is the most common type of dog food on the market, and it's a good choice for Golden Retrievers because it's easy to store and can be left out all day without spoiling. However, it's important to choose a high-quality brand that contains plenty of protein and other nutrients. Wet food is another option, and it's a good choice for Golden Retrievers that don't like to drink a lot of water or that have trouble with dry kibble. Wet food is often more expensive than dry kibble and can spoil more easily, so it's important to buy only what you need and keep it refrigerated. Regardless of which type of food you choose, make sure to read the label carefully to ensure that it contains all of the nutrients and vitamins that your Golden Retriever needs to stay healthy. Feeding schedule. When it comes to feeding your Golden Retriever, it's important to establish a feeding schedule that works for both you and your dog. Many veterinarians recommend feeding adult Golden Retrievers twice a day, once in the morning and again in the evening. Puppies may require more frequent feedings, so check with your vet to determine the best schedule for your puppy. It's important to note that Golden Retrievers can overeat and become overweight if they are left to graze on their food throughout the day. To prevent this from happening, set aside specific times for meals and stick to them as much as possible. Portion control. Portion control is an important aspect of feeding your Golden Retriever. The amount of food that your dog needs depends on their age, weight, and activity level. As a general rule of thumb, adult Golden Retrievers should eat about 2 cups of food per day, but this can vary depending on their size and how much exercise they get. Puppies, on the other hand, may need to eat more frequently and in smaller portions to support their growing bodies. It's important to measure your dog's food carefully to avoid overfeeding. Use a measuring cup or kitchen scale to ensure that you're feeding your Golden Retriever the proper amount of food. Common health issues related to nutrition. Feeding your Golden Retriever a well-balanced diet is crucial for their overall health and well-being. If your dog isn't getting the proper nutrition, they may be at risk for a number of health issues, including obesity. Overfeeding or feeding your dog foods that are high in fat and calories can lead to weight gain and obesity. This can put extra strain on your dog's joints and increase their risk of developing other health problems. Dental issues. Feeding your Golden Retriever a diet that is high in sugar or other carbohydrates can lead to dental problems, such as cavities, gum disease, and tooth decay. Skin and coat problems. If your Golden Retriever isn't getting enough of the right nutrients in their diet, they may develop skin and coat problems, such as dry skin, excessive shedding, and dull coat. Digestive issues. Feeding your dog too much or the wrong type of food can lead to digestive problems, such as diarrhea, constipation, and vomiting. To prevent these health issues from occurring, it's important to feed your Golden Retriever a well-balanced diet that contains all of the nutrients that they need to stay healthy. In conclusion, feeding your Golden Retriever a well-balanced diet is crucial for their overall health and well-being. When choosing a type of food for your dog, be sure to select a high-quality brand that contains plenty of protein and other essential nutrients. Establish a feeding schedule and stick to it as much as possible, and be sure to measure your dog's food carefully to avoid overfeeding. By following these guidelines, you can help ensure that your golden retriever lives a long and healthy life.